Okay, so one of my favorite holidays of the year is, you guessed it, April Fool's. And I am going to be pranking my husband and possibly my daughter if she doesn't wake up too early. Shh, let's see what happens. Hey babe, can you do me a favor? Can you just test this? It's just for that thing today.
Joy was.
Okay.
I texted the plumber, I'm waiting to hear back.
Is it good?
Here, take it.
What?
Take it back.
What's wrong? I shouldn't serve that. I shouldn't serve it.
What is that toxic bullshit?
It's for my cooking group and for a recipe I was gonna make for Easter.
Epic failure.
April
No.
Fools.
Oh, is that what you did? You made that?
Honey, what's it like being married to such a prankster? Who
That
loves
was
April
so
Fools?
disgusting. Caught me again.
April Fools, everybody.